Decentralized finance, DeFi, has emerged as one of the most exciting and disruptive innovations in the blockchain space, offering users unprecedented access to financial services and opportunities. As the ecosystem continues to evolve and mature, it's essential for participants to stay informed and engaged with the latest developments and trends shaping the DeFi landscape. Introduction to DeFi. DeFi, short for decentralized finance, represents a fundamental shift in the way we think about financial services. By leveraging blockchain technology, DeFi aims to create open, permissionless, and censorship-resistant financial systems that operate without intermediaries. In this introductory scene, we'll explore the core principles of DeFi and its significance in the broader context of blockchain innovation. The rise of DeFi. The rise of DeFi can be traced back to the early days of blockchain technology, with projects like Bitcoin laying the foundation for decentralized peer-to-peer transactions. However, it wasn't until the advent of Ethereum and smart contracts that the full potential of DeFi began to emerge. In this scene, we'll examine the factors that have fueled the growth of DeFi and the key milestones that have shaped its evolution. Decentralized exchanges, DEXs. Decentralized exchanges play a central role in the DeFi ecosystem, enabling users to trade cryptocurrencies without relying on centralized intermediaries. In this scene, we'll take a closer look at how DEXs work, the advantages they offer over traditional exchanges, and the challenges they face in terms of liquidity, user experience, and regulatory compliance. We'll also explore popular DEXs like Uniswap, SushiSwap, and PancakeSwap, and discuss their impact on the broader DeFi landscape. Decentralized lending and borrowing. Lending and borrowing are fundamental activities in the traditional financial system, and DeFi has introduced innovative solutions that enable users to engage in these activities without intermediaries. In this scene, we'll explore decentralized lending protocols like Compound, Aave, and MakerDAO, and discuss how they facilitate peer-to-peer lending and borrowing using blockchain technology. We'll also examine the benefits and risks of decentralized lending and borrowing, as well as the factors that influence interest rates and loan terms in DeFi. Yield farming and liquidity mining. Yield farming and liquidity mining have become popular strategies for earning passive income and incentivizing liquidity provision in DeFi protocols. In this scene, we'll dive into the mechanics of yield farming, discuss different yield farming strategies and platforms, and analyze the risks and rewards associated with this activity. We'll also explore the concept of liquidity mining and its role in bootstrapping liquidity for new DeFi projects, as well as the impact of yield farming on token economics and governance. Automated market makers, AMMs. Automated market makers, AMMs, are algorithmic protocols that facilitate decentralized trading on DEX by providing liquidity and determining token prices. In this scene, we'll explore how AMMs work, the different types of AMM models, and their advantages and limitations compared to traditional order book exchanges. We'll also discuss the role of AMMs in enabling price discovery and reducing slippage in decentralized markets, as well as the challenges of impermanent loss and oracle manipulation. Decentralized stablecoins. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies that are pegged to stable assets like fiat currencies or commodities, providing a stable store of value and a medium of exchange in the volatile crypto market. In this scene, we'll examine the role of stablecoins in DeFi, discuss different types of decentralized stablecoins like DAI, USDC, and SUSD, and explore their use cases and adoption trends. We'll also analyze the mechanisms for maintaining the peg of stablecoins, the risks of collateralization, and the regulatory challenges facing stablecoin issuers. Decentralized derivatives and options. Derivatives are financial instruments that derive their value from underlying assets like stocks, commodities, or cryptocurrencies, and DeFi has introduced innovative solutions for trading derivatives without intermediaries. In this scene, we'll explore decentralized derivatives platforms like Synthetics, DYDX, and Opin, and discuss how they enable users to trade synthetic assets, options, and futures contracts on the blockchain. We'll also examine the benefits and risks of decentralized derivatives trading, including leverage, margin calls, and smart contract risk. Decentralized asset management and yield optimization. Asset management is a crucial function in the traditional financial system, And DeFi has introduced new paradigms for managing and optimizing investment portfolios using blockchain technology. In this scene, we'll explore decentralized asset management platforms like Yearn Finance, Balancer, and Curve Finance, and discuss how they automate the process of yield optimization, asset rebalancing, and capital efficiency. We'll also analyze the strategies employed by yield aggregators and liquidity pools to maximize returns while minimizing risk, and examine the impact of yield farming on DeFi protocols and tokenomics. Decentralized insurance and risk management. Insurance is a vital component of financial risk management, and DeFi has introduced novel solutions for providing decentralized insurance coverage against smart contract failures, hacks, and other risks. In this scene, we'll explore decentralized insurance protocols like Nexus Mutual, Cover, and Unslashed Finance, and discuss how they use blockchain technology to pool risk, assess claims, and pay out compensation to policyholders. We'll also analyze the challenges of underwriting smart contract risk, establishing capital reserves, and preventing fraudulent claims in decentralized insurance markets. Governance and decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs. Governance is a critical aspect of decentralized systems, and DeFi has pioneered new models for decentralized decision-making and community governance using DAOs. In this scene, we'll explore how DAOs work, the different types of governance mechanisms used in DeFi protocols, and the role of token holders in voting on proposals, electing representatives, and managing protocol upgrades. We'll also discuss the challenges of decentralized governance, including voter apathy, plutocracy, and Sybil attacks, and examine case studies of successful and failed governance experiments in the DeFi ecosystem. Interoperability and cross-chain solutions. Interoperability is essential for connecting different blockchain networks and enabling seamless asset transfers and communication between decentralized protocols. In this scene, we'll explore the challenges of interoperability in DeFi, discuss the importance of cross-chain solutions like interoperability protocols, bridges, and wrapped assets, and analyze the role of interoperability in expanding the reach and utility of DeFi applications. We'll also examine case studies of interoperability projects like Polkadot, Cosmos, and Thorchain, and discuss their impact on the DeFi ecosystem. Regulation and compliance. Regulation and compliance are significant challenges facing the DeFi ecosystem, as policymakers and regulators seek to address concerns about investor protection, financial stability, and anti-money laundering. In this scene, we'll explore the regulatory landscape surrounding DeFi, discuss the challenges of applying traditional regulatory frameworks to decentralized finance, and examine the approaches taken by different jurisdictions to regulate DeFi activities. We'll also discuss the role of industry self-regulation, compliance best practices, and regulatory sandboxes in fostering innovation while mitigating risks in the DeFi ecosystem. Adoption and accessibility. Adoption and accessibility are critical factors driving the growth of DeFi, as developers, entrepreneurs, and users seek to harness the potential of decentralized finance to create new financial services and opportunities. In this scene, we'll explore the factors that influence DeFi adoption, including user experience, infrastructure development, and regulatory clarity, and discuss strategies for increasing accessibility and inclusivity in the DeFi ecosystem. We'll examine the role of education, user-friendly interfaces, and community outreach in lowering barriers to entry and empowering individuals worldwide to participate in DeFi activities. Additionally, we'll discuss the importance of financial literacy and the need for decentralized education platforms to educate users about the risks and benefits of DeFi, as well as provide guidance on navigating the complex landscape of decentralized finance. Security and risk management. Security is paramount in DeFi, as the ecosystem relies on smart contracts and blockchain networks to execute financial transactions and manage digital assets. In this scene, we'll explore the various security risks facing DeFi protocols, including smart contract vulnerabilities, oracle manipulation, and flash loan attacks. We'll discuss best practices for securing DeFi platforms, such as code audits, formal verification, and bug bounty programs, and examine the role of decentralized insurance and risk management solutions in mitigating losses and protecting user funds. Thank you for joining us on this journey through decentralized finance. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Blockchain Bursts for more insights, updates, and discussion.